We know the risk of forest fires is growing as our climate changes. Our summers are becoming hotter and drier. Insects and diseases that affect our trees have become more common. Years of fighting fire means our forests are full of dead wood. All it takes now is a spark, and the consequences can be severe. During wildfires, the priority is people and property, but there is much more than that at stake. Animal lives, heritage sites, public infrastructure. That's why it's so important to be proactive. Planning ahead protects the things we care about.
So what does planning ahead look like? First, we decide what needs to be protected. Then we figure out what and where the risks are and how likely they are to happen. We look at the land, we consider things like weather, slope, and field type, and what resources we have to fight fire in the area. The result is called a consequence rating, which tells us what work we need to do to protect the land.
Yo ho ho, hey ya ho, ho ho ho, hey ya ho, ho ho ho, hey ya ho, ho ho ho, hey ya ho, Kwan hey ya ho, yo ho.